Welcome back to CAD Institute. In this video, we will see how to design this part in SolidWorks using some basic tools. So, let's dive in. Start with a new part and choose a plain white background. Then start the sketch on the right plane. Start the sketch with the line tool and draw a sketch. Make a closed sketch like this. Okay, now make some relations. Select this center point and the origin, and make it vertical. Similarly, select this origin and this center point, and make it vertical. Select these two horizontal lines and make them equal. Similarly, select these two vertical lines and make them equal. Again, select these two lines and make them equal. Okay, now select this point and the origin, and make it horizontal. Now we have to give dimensions to this sketch. This horizontal line is 20 millimeters. And this one is 40 millimeters. This vertical line is 15 millimeters. And this distance is 40 millimeters. This horizontal line is 30 millimeters. This distance is 50 millimeters. This depth is 10 millimeters. And this one is 8 millimeters. Okay, now our sketch is fully defined. Go to Features, select Extruded Boss, choose the mid-plane option, and extrude it up to 46 millimeters. That's okay. Now start a sketch on this face. Choose the Polygon option. Select the Four Edges option. And draw it at the center like this. The distance from this point to this point is 20 millimeters. Select the origin and this point, and make them horizontal. Again, go to Features, select Extruded Cut, choose the Through All option, and press OK. Now again, start a sketch on the right plane. Choose the Line option, and draw an angular line here from this point to this line. And its height is about 20 millimeters. Okay, again go to Features, choose the Rib command. Select the Into Material side, set the thickness to 10 millimeters, and choose the Mid option. Press OK. Now select the front plane and choose Mirror. Go to Features, choose Mirror, and for Feature, select the previous Rib command. Okay, our part is about to complete. Choose the chamfer command and give 0.5 millimeters and a 45-degree angle. Select this edge and choose the option to select all the edges. That's okay. Similarly, again choose chamfer with the same dimensions. And select these edges as I am doing. Okay, now our part is completed. We have to give its appearance. Select the whole part, go to Appearance, select Metal Steel, and choose some textured steel. Okay, select this one. Choose some red color and adjust its brightness. Okay, so in this way we can design this part. I hope you like the video. Thanks for watching.